Now, what we are learning in this development when it comes to the opposition that seems to be planning on a motion to impeach CEC Gyanesh Kumar, but through sources, we are learning that the opposition is likely to move this motion notice against the CEC tomorrow, that is on the 12th of March. What is being said, around 120 MPs in the Lok Sabha and 60 MPs in the Rajya Sabha have signed this notice till now. But when it comes to these developments that have now been reported because of the opposition's contention, which has been initiated by the TMC, where the opposition seems to have drafted this impeachment notice against CEC Gyanesh Kumar. And this is in the process where they have been collecting the required number of signatures from the MPs, according to sources, what we are learning, because the TMC has been accusing the Election Commission of targeting the state of West Bengal during the special intensive revision of the electoral rolls. Let's get in a word from Nyamika now. So, Nyamika, the removal of the CEC, of course, the law says differently, but what we are looking at on part of the opposition, till now it seems that they seem to be collecting signatures from the parliamentarians from both houses.
Well, yes, indeed, the process is still underway. The signatures are getting collected, and the information which we have got from our sources is that around 120 MPs from Lok Sabha and around 60 MPs from Rajya Sabha have already signed on this impeachment motion notice, as it is being told that the opposition parties are most likely are going to move this impeachment motion against the CEC tomorrow only. As of now, the numbers which they need for moving this impeachment motion notice against the CEC is 100 in Lok Sabha and 50 in Rajya Sabha. So already the signatures have crossed the mark. So clearly now it will be really interesting to see, because we have seen that how the opposition has been continuously making this allegation against the Chief Election Commissioner, stating that it is working as at the behest of the BJP. Just because the assembly elections are coming in, that is the only reason why this entire exercise of SIR and the other means are being used by the Election Commission of India to help the BJP indirectly in the upcoming assembly polls. And for that reason now, the way in which these allegations are being made by the opposition parties, that the Election Commission has become a frontal organization of the ruling party, that is the reason why they are moving this impeachment motion notice against the CEC tomorrow only, is what is being told by our sources.
Right, but are the political parties in the opposition on the same page on this impeachment motion?
Well, yes, indeed. Opposition parties have already given their consent regarding the moving of this impeachment motion notice against the CEC. Not just the Congress party, but the other opposition party members are also, making their signatures on this notice, because they are basically making this allegation that this behavior of the Election Commission of India is same for all the opposition parties. We have seen that the similar kind of allegations were also being leveled against the Election Commission during the assembly polls of Bihar, where the RJD left, as well as the Congress party had also taken out a yatra. And for that reason now, all the opposition members are currently on the same page, and that is the only reason why TMC is currently collecting the signatures from the opposition members regarding this entire matter, as they are stating that it is the need of the hour that political messaging should be given, that how the Chief Election Commissioner is basically working to help the BJP in the upcoming assembly elections.
All right, Nyamika, thank you for that update. So let's, in the meantime, cut to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's live briefing.